Hey guys, a few tips today if you're just getting started making smoothies to lose weight. 5 tips. Number 1, you don't have to like everything. You're not gonna like some fruits, some vegetables. That's okay. Beets are not for everyone. Number 2, make the same smoothie every day. Either banana mango or berry, pick one of those two and make it every day. Autopilot is your friend. And number 3, add greens. Add greens to your smoothie, no matter what. Kale, spinach, collard greens, whatever you like. The greens are gonna make you feel amazing and you're not gonna be able to taste them. Number 4, you probably already know this, but you do not need to add sugar to your smoothie. It's probably why you're making smoothies, but yeah. Same with juice. You don't need to add juice. And number 5, you might not like to hear this, you're gonna fail. You're gonna fall off the wagon and break your streak of making smoothies every day. Or you're gonna make a smoothie that tastes terrible.
Sludge.
Just know that if you do fail and when you do fail, you're not a failure. Keep making smoothies, keep blending. If you appreciated this video, hit thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, definitely. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.
Today I am in my kitchen, as you can probably tell, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a healthy breakfast smoothie. This is something that I have been eating / drinking for a really long time now. I really like it. I kind of came up with it myself, but it's not anything genius. It's very, very simple. And it's healthy too. So this is perfect for those of you who are kind of rushing out the door or don't have time to eat breakfast or just like the taste of smoothies. The first thing you're going to need are some quality summer fruits. Well, yeah, that's what it says on here. So this is just from a brand called Boylan's. I got it in the frozen food section of my supermarket. If you live in Ireland, I got it in Super Value. If you don't live in Ireland, you can get these anywhere. So these are just mixed berries. You have some strawberries, some raspberries, some blueberries, and some black currants. So super, super good. They make the smoothie taste really sweet and delicious. You're gonna need about 100 grams of the mixed berries. So I just measured them into this little bowl. You're also going to need some low-fat organic yogurt. I like to buy organic just because it's better to do that. And this is the low-fat natural variety, but you can get flavored ones. You can get a vanilla kind, which would be actually really good with this smoothie. Then the third and final ingredient in this super simple smoothie is milled organic flaxseed. Now flaxseed is amazing for you. So if you're vegetarian or even vegan, I personally am vegetarian now, 100%, I'm proud to say. This also makes you feel so much fuller for longer, so that's also great if you're dieting or something like that. Other than that, you're gonna need a blender. Now I just have a really tiny one and this is gonna work just fine. So you don't have to spend a whole bunch of money to make this smoothie. You can just use something really small like this, really easy. I use this for like onions and just small things. Okay, so just adding the mixed berries, all of them in there, and then some yogurt, 150 grams. Just make sure you get all of that. Now I'm taking 1 tablespoon of the flaxseed, and then we're just gonna blend all of that up together. And this is what it should look like. It's kind of like a dark pink. It looks really pretty and super yummy. And then just pour it into your glass. And there you have it. A super easy, healthy breakfast smoothie, and it's pink, which is really cute. And I used a little pink straw. Sometimes, if you're in too much of a rush to use a straw, just use a spoon. And you don't even have to drink it. This smoothie is also very low in calories. I know this because I worked it out in my little my Fitness Pal app. So there's only, I think, about 215 calories for this exact smoothie with all the ingredients that I use. So if you're on a diet or if you're trying to lose weight, this would be perfect for even just a snack. If you want to beef it up a little bit more, just add some muesli or some other fruits in there, or even just some more flaxseed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what your favorite smoothie to make is. Leave me a video response or a comment with the recipes. I would love to hear from you guys, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye!